name's Rye, and welcome to another episode of Rye's Guide to Nearly Everything. This episode will focus on water, P, which is mostly water, and a bit of chemistry. Water is essential to life. Considering that 3/5 of the Earth's surface is covered by water, it's hard to believe that drinkable water is scarce. Only 1.2% of it is drinkable. All living things depend on water, and we must work to conserve it. While some animals, such as camels and giraffes, can go weeks without water, a person can only last up to 3 days to stay alive. Your body needs water for a bunch of things. The water in your blood helps your body transport oxygen-carrying cells and hormones around, dissolves substances, and provides structure to cells. We lose water when we sweat and go to the bathroom. When you drink and eat, the water and nutrients are absorbed in your intestines and enter your bloodstream to be put to use. On its path around your body, your blood flows through your kidneys. Your kidneys are these bean-shaped organs in your lower back on either side of your spine. Substances in your blood that your body does not need, it's filtered out by your kidneys and comes out in urine. So let's talk about urine. Urine is mostly water. 95% water, actually. Check this out. This represents about how much a person usually pees. It's about 6 ounces. There. As I was saying, these jugs contain about 2 gallons of water. This is about how much water some older toilet tanks hold. You see, every time you urinate and flush, this much water is used to wash away this little amount of waste. Flushing a toilet 3 times a day uses almost 6 gallons of perfectly good drinking water. A family of 4 uses nearly 15,000 gallons of water a year, just flushing the toilet. Of all the appliances in your home, the toilet uses the most water. So aside from, if it's yellow, let it mellow, and if it's brown, flush it down, what are some options to waste less water in the bathroom? For starters, homeowners can start by switching to more water-efficient toilets. Newer toilets use about 1.3 gallons per flush or less, which can save nearly 3,000 gallons per year per person, while still getting the job done. So, the next time you and your family are toilet shopping, make sure to look for the WaterSense label. Waterless urinals are now a thing, although they're not common in people's homes. Waterless urinals look just like ordinary urinals. Instead of being flushed with water, though, they have a dense liquid, usually an oil in them. Here's a demonstration. I'll add blue food coloring to the P for contrast. When you urinate in a waterless urinal, the pee sinks to the bottom and the oil floats on top. Because pee, which is mostly water, is more dense than oil. Quick side note. My Galilean thermometer also works through the principle of fluid density. More on that in a later episode. Notice that the oil on top creates a barrier between you and the bathroom and the waste in the sewer pipes. Effective and efficient. Okay, low-flow toilets and waterless urinals can help you waste less water in the bathroom. So, where do we go from here? Well, have you ever heard of the expression, one person's trash is another person's treasure? And by trash, I mean pee. Yep. Do you remember all those elements in urine, like nitrogen and potassium, that I mentioned? Well, they can actually be pretty useful. Interesting, right? And pretty gross. Tune in next time, where I will be talking about urine upcycling.